roommates text me about the conference. We got the conference coming up for all about the properties. It's gonna be a great event, man. It's my first one, but nonetheless, we have sold quite a few tickets. Due to COVID, I wasn't expecting that many, but as of now, we've sold quite a few tickets, and not to mention, it's still early. I'm excited, man. It's always a challenge trying to put on the event. Putting on the event, the hard work that goes behind it. That's my old middle school right there. Here we call it junior high. 7 through 9. I just run the ball on that field over there. Yeah, man, we working hard, man. I'm just doing what I do. A great team behind me. Some people in my corner. It's all work. It's all work. That's why you can find properties around here for that price range. The urban community is hurting around here. You see a lot of dilapidated houses, a lot of boarded up homes. Yeah, it's honestly sad, man. Problem is the banks won't lend. The banks won't lend in those areas. And sometimes the owners, they just want to come up off the property. That's why you can get them on the finance. Like $1,500 down, $2,000 down. They'll own the financing team because they don't want to do the work that it's going to take to fix it up. So if they can't sell it, they'll be willing to own the financing. There's always that possibility. Purchase a home, same concept with the owner of the property. But right now we're just scrolling through. I'm gonna show you guys a few of my investment properties that I have. As a matter of fact, the one that we're going by now, the tenant has a few days to move out. So normally what I do is I don't like to file eviction on people. I like to try to work out something with them. And normally what I work out with them is, hey, if you want to move, you can move. I won't go after you for the fees and things of that nature. I just always ask them to move. If they move and they agree, then we just come to terms that I won't file eviction and you move out. And it makes it real simple. Makes everything real simple. They move, I don't file the eviction, and it's quicker. Instead of, just being an asshole filing the eviction, which I could do that, but I prefer that they just move out. To me, that's the better option. And then you, as the owner of the property, won't have to accumulate fees and the things that you have to accumulate to file the eviction, because evictions can be expensive and sometimes they don't move that fast. So I try to work it out with the tenants, and sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. We always keep the boards on until they get ready. ahead. All right, so this is the project we were just talking about that we pretty much almost done with. Pretty much, the next thing left in here is putting the sinks in. So we do have to put the sink in, we do have the cabinet locked in, so we gotta get the sink in. We gotta get the bathroom done. The bathroom complete. And as you can see, we ran through this whole house pretty much. Sheetrock, a lot of areas had sheetrock. We'll lock the toilet in, we'll lock the sink in. We still gotta replace that sheetrock rail in there. But, as you can see, it's pretty much it's nice. It turned out nice. I love the paint. Love how the paint came out on the wall. So everything came out smooth on it. Still got some more touching up to do in this room right here. Got the baseboards need to be ran. This is just a small two bedroom, one bath. The reason why I love 2 bedroom, 1 bath and 3 in 1 because 3-2 is fine as well. 3-2 is easier to rent, of course. And 2-1's the same, easy to rent as well. I like these homes, little small cookie cutter home, because the maintenance on or the repairs on it is not as much or as if you was having a 3 bedroom, 2 bath with 1,500 square feet. The more rooms, the more repairs. The more expenses, the more money you're gonna spend. So this is another reason why I like the smaller homes. You know, you just keep your whole expense down, you keep your overhead down, the more money you'll cash flow. And then when the tenant do call you for a problem, you know, you go out there and you take care of the issue. Most of the time it ain't nothing too major that's gonna kill your pockets. Maybe a few $100s, maybe. So, but this project is almost done, man. Tomorrow they'll come in and get a lot of this stuff squared away. And we'll be good. We'll be good. It probably turned out good. We've been on it about a month, maybe. Been on it a month, maybe. So we're in West Montgomery, and this is considered a D-class area, a low-income area. But there's some nice homes in the area. I like the bone and structure. You can look around. We're gonna go through to some more houses in the area that I have as well. Like I said, I sold this one and I'm just managing the project on this one. We're almost done with this one. We're gonna go down to a few more properties that I have. We're gonna check those out. Some of them I haven't been inside of. So we're gonna go inside one of them that I haven't been in yet.